Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Infiniti G37 trunk with a dead battery. First, you'll need to access the engine bay. Look for the positive jump start terminal, which is usually covered by a red cap. Carefully connect the positive jumper cable to this terminal, making sure the other end of the cable is not touching any metal surfaces on your car. Next, connect the other end of the positive jumper cable to the positive terminal of a working 12-volt battery. Then, attach the negative jumper cable to a clean, unpainted metal surface on your G37, such as an engine bolt. Double-check that all your connections are secure before moving to the next step. With temporary power now supplied to your vehicle's electrical system, you can attempt to open the trunk. Use your key fob's trunk release button or the interior trunk release button located inside the cabin. The trunk should now unlatch and open, allowing you access to your belongings or the battery. If the electronic release still doesn't work, some G37 models have a manual release lever inside the trunk, accessible by folding down the rear seats. Remember, this temporary power method is for access only. You'll still need to address your dead battery. Regularly checking your battery's health can prevent future issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.